Crystal cell voltage 1.3 volts. Running easy spin motor. One electrode is copper and other electrode is magnesium, sacrificial electrode, and then there is Epsom salt, which is magnesium sulfide. And if one is doing electrolysis from salt, one can produce back magnesium, so it's a kind of rechargeable battery. Electrodes for batteries. I started with copper, measured against stainless steel, and then decided to try carbon, and carbon was the most positive. And between carbon and copper can make battery, aluminum, carbon zinc battery, and the best is magnesium. I made also magnesium copper battery, but the best is magnesium carbon in voltage, almost 2 volts. I made so-called cement battery, aluminum and stainless steel and gypsum with sand and salt, and it did not work very well. And then I put carbon electrode from motor brush, and with that we get 0.55 actually. Duracell battery. Outside is positive electrode, it's fine, and inside is negative, and it's now turned into powder. Next battery is Voltaic pile type, copper and aluminum. At Volta time there was no aluminum available. Volta pile battery from aluminum computer hard drive disks. They were scratched with sandpaper. Then there is salt water and disc with copper tesa film on it, and such stack with 3 discs. We'll put in plastic box. Okay, so I have finished Voltaic pile battery. The current is just 0.15 milliamps because I have not wetted the paper too much, just slightly. Making insulated electrode. Put aluminum disc in paper envelope and wetting it with salt water. This will be positive electrode contacting with carbon. Added activated charcoal. Added second electrode, aluminum. And here we get current, 4 milliamps, and voltage is 0.7 volts. Homemade aluminum carbon battery running easy spin motor at 0.7 volts. Let's see how long it lasts.